Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Gatto. I wanted to read you the story today. We've been talking about the two characters, Pig and Trevor, and this story is called Pig the Stinker. And that's Pig. He's the main character of our story. Pig the Stinker. Uh-oh, do y'all see all that mud all over the front of the book? I wonder who did that. Pig the Stinker. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say his personal hygiene was far from okay. The illustrator drew these green, yellowish lines coming out the back of Pig to make you know that he was smelly. Ooh. Pig liked to get dirty. He frankly was rank. His paws could be frightful. His fur often stank. Look at Trevor. He's holding his breath. See how his jaws got bigger? He wasn't offended by odor or smell. And if you weren't careful, he'd smell you as well. He'd play with all kinds of unspeakable muck. You know what he's playing with? Ooh. And do things to make you scream, "Don't do that, yuck!" He leaked out a stench that could be never forgotten. It reeked, and he was rancid. In short, he was rotten. He put his head down in the toilet bowl. So bath time was called. "You stinky old mutt, you need a good clean from your ears to your butt." The owner is making him get into the bathtub. But Pig turned his tail, and before you could grab it, he was out of that room like a foul little rabbit. They chased him, but Pig had a devious knack for ducking and weaving and doubling back. And once he had lost them, he used a small toy to block up the pipes. Then he hooted with joy. By the time they had found him, Pig boogied with glee. "You won't get your soapy old water on me." They watched as Pig gloated. They watched as Pig crowded. They watched as Pig's plan made the bathroom. Look at Trevor, he's taking off, he's running. Explode! The pipe exploded. These days it's different, I'm happy to say. If you tell Pig it's bath time, he won't disobey. But although you can wash him with soap, cloth, and a towel, there's no getting around it. Pig is just wow. Look what he did inside the bathtub. You see those green and yellow marks coming out? He farted in the bathtub. Poor Trevor. So Pig and Trevor, they live in the same house together, and Pig is always up to no good. Poor Trevor gets blamed for everything. If you look on the back of the book, you can see that there's other stories. We've already read this one, Pig the Pug, and we've already read Pig the Fibber. And today we read Pig the Stinker. And there's other books that we can read as well. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoyed your story.